So today we are in a stunning location. We are right in the heart of Poole Harbour, right on the water's edge. And in this video, I'm going to be talking you through this brand new Burnout outdoor kitchen that we've just installed. I'm going to be talking you through the whole thing, how we built it and everything about it. So before I start explaining this kitchen to you, I thought it might be good just to show you a little time lapse because it took Vitas by himself, I think 4 or 5 hours to put this together. It's really, really easy to put together. There's literally 4 bolts in each corner. You've got adjustable legs, 4 bolts in each corner, and they just go together. So I did a little time lapse when we arrived here. So we brought them in here and then did a time lapse. So if you want to watch that now, just before I explain to you the rest of the kitchen. So I've got to say, we see lots of nice houses doing this job. Every day we go into the most beautiful homes. But this one, when you walk in, you come onto this decking, you come up here, you've got a hot tub, and then you've literally got the sea right there. The whole of Poole Harbour. Poole Harbour is lovely. I think it's the second largest natural harbour in the world after Sydney, so we're really lucky to have this on our doorstep. So the customers have got this whole decked area already. Down here beforehand, when we first arrived, they had a patio area over here, really old tiles, really old slabs, worn, and over here they had, I think it was like a stainless steel barbecue and some sort of rendered section over there. So the spec was to take that all out, rip all of this out, put some brand new porcelain tiles down here and install the kitchen. So you can see what we've done here. We have used porcelain tiles here. I can't remember that. I think they might be called Jupiter Grey. And then we've used like a sort of a sandy coloured grout in between there. And it's completely transformed the whole space. Like this light grey colour with the render that you can see on the house and the wall, it works really well. It also works really well with the decking here, this composite decking. Another thing that we have done, they had the old stones around here. We've replaced those with some white pebbles as well, which again matches the house. It's got that very sort of seaside vibe to it. So I can't tell you how excited I am to talk to you about this Burnout kitchen. We've installed Burnout kitchens before, but none of them quite as big as this or that have got as many features about it. So what we'll do is we'll start at this end and I'll talk you through the whole thing. So just a little bit of background on Burnout. Burnout are a German manufacturer. They're very high end. They came into the UK in 2022, I think. They are available in 3 colours, this Burnout range, 3 colours. This is called smoke colour. There is a light oak and there is a dark oak colour as well. They also do have another range called the Luxe range, which are available in black, white and anthracite. You can house pretty much any barbecue that is available in the UK into the Burnout kitchens. They have lots of different cupboards and units, all of which have different functions. They're completely modular. They come generally in 1200, 600, I think 900 and 300 sizes. So, you know, within that makeup, you're going to be able to fill any space pretty well. And you can see here, I mean, this is fitted in here pretty much exactly. It's worked really, really well. I have actually done a video in our showroom of the setup that we've got in there. So what I'll do is we'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to go and have a look, that goes into a lot more detail about the kitchen as a whole. So let's start down here. Up here you've got the Gozney dome. So this is a cream coloured dome. It comes in olive as well, is another option. I have done a review of this as well. We'll leave a link below if you're interested in the dome. That's a fantastic pizza oven. Go and check that out. So this unit down here, this is a 1200 unit. It's got a 1200 piece of granite. Every single unit comes with 20 mil thick absolute Nero dark granite as standard. You can, if you want to, you can not have the granite and have the composite, the same color that the kitchen is made of, if you want to. That's an option. So on here we've got a pull-out bin. So this is a double drawer there. You've got 2 bins in there, one for your waste, one for your recycling. Everything is soft close. The doors, this is smoke color, by the way. The doors are all made of this composite, and you've got another drawer underneath there. So bins, drawers for storage. Come along to here. This is just a cupboard with a shelf for plenty of storage. Again, it's got soft close there. All the framing is stainless steel, by the way, and stainless steel handles. And then if you want to come and have a look at this one over here. So this cupboard here is a tank drawer. So whenever you have a gas barbecue or a gas pizza oven, you need a tank drawer. So this actually pulls out. Your tank can go in there, regulator on there. Again, that is soft close. That goes into there. Another thing on here, look, beer holder, beer opener. What a great touch. Hey, what a great thing to have in there. So, and again, that is soft close as well. And there's something else I'd like to show you. So obviously, because the dome is gas, or it's a hybrid, so it's gas, that is clipped in there. And what I've done is I've extended the gas hose all the way to the end, and I've come in through the end. And then, so what I've done as well, if you want to come and have a look over here, it comes in, and you can see underneath there. So I brought it in underneath there, we brought it along there and along there, and then when you come into here, you can see under there, we brought it down into there. We've got a 3-way splitter on there with some valves on it, and you can see the regulator from the barbecue comes into there. They both go into one, and then you've just got this one regulator, so that when you want to change the gas, it's very easy just to take that off and clip it on. Those valves on there make it easy to turn the gas on and off as well without disconnecting everything. Here we have the Napoleon 665 Prestige Pro, which you definitely would have seen if you've been watching our videos before or you subscribe to the channel. Amazing barbecue. It's got 5 main burners and then a back burner and a burner for the smoker there. It comes with a rotisserie. You've got lights. These lights all, they rotate into different colors if you want to. They turn from blue to red when the burners are on. It has a sensor underneath here as well. So when you're not using it for 10 minutes, it'll shut itself down. But then when you walk towards it, the sensor will pick up the motion and everything lights up. So that's a brilliant bit of kit. Very, very big. Going to be able to feed lots of people with that. As standard as well, it's worth mentioning, Burnout give you the stainless steel. This is like a hot plate or something. So, you know, if you've got cast iron trays or something on there and you need somewhere to put it. I mean, you can put it on the granite. The granite's okay for hot things, but this is just something that they give with all their kitchens. It's got the Burnout branding on there, and it just looks pretty cool as well. Underneath the barbecue here, you've got 2 drawers, huge drawers again. So these are probably about 1 meter wide. You're going to be able to get all of your accessories, rotisseries and things like that in there, pan-sized drawers. Underneath here, so we have actually got a socket underneath there. I'm not sure if you can see it. So if you go right in there, you'll be able to see we've got a socket in there, and then you've got all the power and the transformer and everything for the barbecue in there. It's worth noting also that this kitchen is completely watertight. So I think it was yesterday, it was torrential rainfall here. And we've come down here today and every single one of these units is bone dry. You know, when we're installing these barbecues into brick-built kitchens and rendered kitchens, just be careful, there's a cactus behind you. It's very, very difficult to get this watertight, but Burnout have just done an incredible job in the design of this unit in particular around the barbecue to keep it all nice and dry. Coming along to here, you've got the Burnout fridge. So this is a stainless steel fridge. There is a double version as well if you want more space. It's worth mentioning also that these stainless steel frames, you can also have them powder coated black if you want to. So you've got the option of black or stainless steel. You can see on the bottom that we've got stainless steel feet, which are adjustable. There is another option to have them on wheels as well. So if you wanted to wheel this all out and push it around, you could do. Over here, we've got a triple drawer unit. So on the top here, we've got like a utensil drawer there, and I don't know if you can see that, but inside there you've got the cutlery tray for keeping all your utensils, knives and forks and things like that. And then underneath here, 2 large pan drawers, again for storage, keeping all your things in. And then finally on the end here, this is just a cupboard which has got the water feeds and everything else. We've actually put a socket in there which the fridge is plugged into as well. Again, that is soft close. Stainless steel sink and tap. These are Frankie ones. Again, really, really high end, absolutely beautifully made. That's that. You can open the plug by pushing that button, close it and open it. Absolutely beautiful, really, really good. So there you go. You can see we've just brought the table and the chairs out now. You can see that this is just going to be a space that's going to be enjoyed all the time. I mean, I love the fact that they've got all these beautiful plants and palms and stuff around here. So you've got a sort of an enclosed feeling, and you've got this great area to eat, and you've got this incredible outdoor kitchen. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'll leave a link to another one here if you want to see more like this. And if you've enjoyed it, please like the video. It really helps the channel, and consider subscribing to our channel. We try and release one of these videos at least once a week. We also have Instagram and we have Facebook, where we try and post on there a few times a week, showing you currently what we're up to. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.